Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel and checking out this playlist here, myEcon 2025 real success stories, people that are getting results in myEcon right now. And they're using proven and documented methods, which I'm showing you here right in these videos right here on this playlist. So if you need to get to this playlist, you need to see all these videos. Links in the description down below. In each of these videos, I'm showing you these people that are ranking up in their business, whether it be gold or platinum or infinity. I'm showing you exactly what they're doing and how they are doing it. And we're going to do the same exact thing in this video here. We're going to be talking about Cynthia. She is fairly new to the team and she has already ranked up to the level of platinum. So I'm going to head on over here so you can see her on the top right there. Cynthia, that is her right there on the screen in the top right. She is a EVP Platinum with myEcon, which means she's built a team of at least, 15 to 20 people. So the question is, again, like all these videos that we're showing you guys here in this playlist, exactly what is Cynthia doing and how specifically is she doing it? So let's map that out for you. Let's not waste any time here. Let's jump right into exactly what she is doing. So first and foremost, as you guys know, Cynthia obviously got on our team. She went over, and I'm just going to drop this here so you guys can see this. Obviously, she went through our team training site. She started applying what she is learning. So I'm going to circle back to this here in a minute, but specifically, what does that look like on her end? Let's talk about, okay, what specifically she's doing. Then we'll talk about how specifically she's doing it. Okay. So I'm going to go over here to her Facebook profile. And of course, if you want to go follow her, you certainly can. Okay. So over here on her Facebook profile, and you can see here's what's crazy, guys. All right. When Cynthia got started with us, and this is really, really important. I want you to understand this. Okay. Cynthia started from scratch. She created brand new Facebook profile and a brand new YouTube channel. Okay. So, meaning for everyone that's watching this series and other videos, I've talked about, certain content creators like, Catherine or Kirsty that have hundreds of thousands of followers. They've been doing this for a hot minute, where you take someone like Cynthia, who is brand new, and she literally, just like Clint in the very beginning here, the very first video in this playlist, started from scratch, literally, brand new social media accounts, YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, whatever it is, they're starting from scratch. So I get it. I get a lot of feedback on these videos when I put these out there where people will make the excuses and say, oh, yeah, look at, they have thousands of followers. They have 100,000 followers. That's why they're getting sales. It's like every single one of these videos, you got to realize that every single person all started at zero. Okay. No one starts a business and has 100,000 followers from day one. They built up to that. Okay. But check this out. This is really the reason why I wanted to focus on Cynthia in this one. She started a brand new Facebook account. Okay. Brand new YouTube channel. You can see right here, she only has 63 followers, so you could tell it's a very much a brand new account. She branded it to her, she has a great, nice clean image here, good cover photo right there, nothing fancy. Of course, she can do this, right? So she's posting reels, right? Here's what's really cool. Check this out, okay? So she just made a post that she hit. I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm showing you right now because this is really important and this ties into everything that we're talking about right here. Okay, you can see right here where she says, okay, I just hit 100 subscribers on a YouTube channel on YouTube. I started this brand new account when starting my online business. Focus on this. You do not need a large following, okay, to make money online. I'll say that again. You do not need a large following to make money online. Again, brand new account here. So she's, obviously shouting out the fact that on Facebook here that she hit 100 subscribers over on YouTube. So obviously she's making sales. Obviously she's making money. She just ranked up not too long ago to platinum, which means that she's making money. Her and her business in myEcon is making money. Again, guys, this is not rocket science. Okay. This is not rocket science. So what she's doing, she's posting over here on, she's posting over here on Facebook and she's making reels and she's inviting people on her reels. Okay. She's using specific formulas, and I'll show those to you in a second here on how to get people from here. Remember what a lot of people are doing here. Okay. They're taking people from a short form piece of content, which is here on Facebook, to a long form piece of content. Okay. So you can either A, create the long form piece of content yourself, or B, use our done for you funnels. That is the long form piece of content. So that stuff's already done for you. So in this particular case, what she's doing is she's bringing people over here to her YouTube channel. And you can see here 108 subscribers, nothing crazy. This isn't like, myself or several other people on her team like John who has 40,000, subscribers. This is, she's just starting out and she's still making money with myEcon. Okay. So you can see her videos right here. And these aren't anything crazy, 5-minute video, literally just her and her kid telling her story. Okay. And then you got an 11-minute video right here. She copied the slides that we gave her. Okay. So she's walking through a slide presentation. We give all our members the slides. You can literally just go record your own version of it. Okay. Again, another video right here. She just kind of made her own thing right there. So she only has a handful of videos on her channel. I want you guys to realize that. Okay. She only has a handful of videos. So I want you to realize if you're sitting at home or wherever you are and you're watching this, I want you to realize that, just like Cynthia, you can literally start from scratch and get results. Stop overthinking that you need to have this or you need to have that or, whatever it is. All of these people that I'm showing you here, like literally every single one of these people, all started at zero, started from the very beginning. Okay. Just like Cynthia here. And you can see not a lot of videos on her channel, and it's still enough to make her sales. Okay. So like you can't rank up to platinum in myEcon. You can't rank up to platinum without making sales. You and or your team have to make sales. Okay. So Cynthia, what is she doing? So you can see what is she doing. Okay. She's making reels. Okay. She's posting about her business on a brand new Facebook account. Okay. She's creating content over here on YouTube. Okay. So this is what, okay. So now how is she doing this? How is she learning this information? Well, again, like I've shared with you in other videos, it's all here in our team training site. So what did she do? She went through Start Here. She went and set up her app. She got all her sales funnels set up. Okay. And then here specifically, let's go over a couple of specific things. When it comes to Facebook and Facebook Reels, what specifically is she talking about in her videos? Okay. Well, that all starts right here under what the process looks like. We show you guys what the real process looks like, what it takes to create a short form video. We walk you through that process right here. I mean, it's pretty straightforward what the process looks like. Okay. So that's number one. Number two, how to get good at the process. You ready for this? Now we teach you specifically a 4-point formula that you have in your marketing, in your content, in your videos. This applies not only to Reels like on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, okay, but this can also apply to long form videos like here on YouTube, okay? So as an example, this 4-point formula, we teach you how to follow that 4-point formula. So when you look at these Reels, okay, that's exactly the 4-point formula that she is following. Straight up, simple, easy to understand. So what is she doing? How is she doing it? Obviously, she's learning that stuff right here. Now, when it comes to YouTube, again, shared this in other videos with you. Right down here, YouTube University. Okay, Cynthia went here. She followed this program. Obviously, I can open this up, and that's going to take you to our actual YouTube course that we have. This is a $500 retail value course. I literally sell this course on the side for $500. If you're here on my team, I give it to you absolutely free. Okay. Cynthia followed the training inside of YouTube University. Okay. There's several things. You learn how to create, again, you learn how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Okay. We show you how to create, the cover photo, the profile pic, filling out your bio, your information, what to record in your videos. So when you're making your videos, how to create thumbnails, like exactly what you're seeing right here on screen. We walk you through all of that inside of YouTube University. So if you decide to get started with myEcon, you partner with our team, we're going to give you this system, which is valued at over $11,000. Okay. We're going to plug you into our team sales rotator. We're going to show you everything that you have to do. So straight up, hear me out when I say this. All of the like excuses or fear and doubt, like you just have to take that away right now. You have to remove it because you know exactly how. You know what to do. All of these people that are getting results, all of these people that have ranked up gold, platinum, infinity, that are making weekly paychecks with myEcon, that are making money from their phones, making money from home. Okay? Everyone started from scratch. Everyone followed our system and our training and is applying what they learn. If they can do it, so can you. So now, hopefully, you're getting this. You know what people are doing and you know how they are doing. You know the what and the how. There's no secrets. Okay. Now you just have to go do it. And straight up, if you're not going to go do it, don't expect results. Don't expect to make money online. Don't expect to get anywhere. And if you just move on and you watch the next video and then you watch video after video after video after video and you don't take any action, you're not going to get any results. Straight up, simple, no sugarcoating, no bullshit. Okay? Do the work. That's it. Just do the work. Plug in, get started, go through the team training site, apply what we teach you, and who knows? Maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll be showcasing you here. Just like Cynthia. Hey, you just got started. You started from scratch. You already ranked up. You're taking action. You're kicking ass. You're taking names. You're doing all those cool things. Maybe I'll be shouting you out. I hope I can. I really, truly hope I can and do shout you out as being an action taker. That's it, my friend. You know what people are doing. You know how they're doing it. And now maybe you should go do it too. If you want to make more money, it's up to you. If you want to make more money. If you don't, then just keep watching videos. It's as simple as that. If you made it to this point in the video, I do appreciate you watching. I really do. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Please go ahead, do that right now. Hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, hit the links in the description down below. Get yourself started. We will work with you step by step and help you get started. Okay. If you want to get to this playlist here, you want to see some more videos before you get started, those links are also in the description down below. I also have one more link down there too. If you want to see my full overview and tutorial, and I'll show you and I'll walk you through all of the $11,000 in free value that is inside of this system that we're literally going to give you for free when you activate your myEcon membership. That link is also down below as well. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.